Gon' make it, no God holding our hands, we gon' make it.
It's Jeremy at Mercedes-Benz Fort Mitchell. I wanted to show you how to change the battery in your key fob. I know times have changed for us. We're not interacting face to face, and we service a lot of our clients when their keys are showing low, the battery is showing low. We put the batteries in for you. However, this is a time where such a simple task just takes a little bit of education and instruction. So your key blade actually separates from the key. So that's the blade. There's a little switch here. You see that? You can pull on that and pull the blade straight out. Then what you have to do on the switch side of things, you can push the key in and the top will pop up. So that's what I'm gonna do here. The back of the key pops up. You just lift it up. Then you get access to your battery. You tap it. The key, tap it on the hard surface. I tapped it on the desk that's below me, and the key battery comes out. Then to reinstall it, let me show you. I didn't have that in camera view. Can you see? You just put the battery back in there, and the positive side faces up. Positive up. Put your back onto the key and push. Then you put your blade back in, and you're all set. But thank you for watching this quick video on how to change your key battery. Some of your leases are coming due. We can service you whether you're in our state or not. We have been servicing clients remotely since our doors have opened. We're experts in assisting you when you're not with us. So you can email me, call me at 859-331-1500 with any lease questions. If you have 3-4 months left, Mercedes has extended some programs to get you out 4 to 5 months ahead of time. So we can help. Give me a call, 859-331-1500 or email. You can find that information right here as well.